Hello guys, we are going to mirror the handrail, and for this let's turn on all the layers here, and let's find here a reference point to mirror both the horizontal and the sloped handrail. Let's change the UCS to here. Change the UCS to here. Endpoint. Click here. Choose line 0, 0, 0. And go to other side and select object snap, and it's okay. Just enter. Very good. Select here, select similar, and start the isolation. Hide objects, and let's hide this. Select similar, hide objects. Okay. This is the line, okay? This is the line that you are going to find the reference point. Let's turn off this. No, this. Let's turn off this. Okay, don't turn off this because this will be the reference point. Click here, select similar, and isolate, hide. Click here, select similar, and isolate, hide. Okay, it's okay. Delete this. Okay. This not. Delete this. Take a look if it's okay. Disappearing these objects, it's easier to select the parts you want to mirror. Select similar, hide objects, select similar, and hide objects. Okay. Delete here. Okay, for me it's okay. Take a look here. And delete here. Delete. Okay. Go to Tools, Advanced Copy, Mirror. Where is Mirror? Select Objects. Selected 66 objects. Select Mirror Point. F8 and preview. Modify because select objects. These all objects I want. Preview. Let's wait. Okay. Now it's good. Very good. Okay. And object isolation. Very good. Just delete this line. And we are going to as we said, we are going to mirror just this sloped handrail. Let's mirror just this sloped handrail. To do this, let's create a line again, and 0, 0, 0. All right. And our challenge now is to select these objects, okay? Select similar. Select similar. And isolate. Hide objects. Select similar. Isolate. Oh no. Select similar and hide objects. Take a look here. Select similar and hide objects. Take a look if it's okay. Top view. Advanced copy. Select objects. Hold Shift keyboard and deselect this line. Isometric. 105. Mirror. Select mirror point. Midpoint here. And preview. Our object is to mirror the sloped handrail. Okay, let's wait a minute and let's take a look if it's okay. Click OK, and object isolation, and delete this line. Let's use as to world and take a look if it's everything okay. Conceptual, realistic. Take a look if everything it's okay. We have a line here, delete. Okay, guys, our handrailing stair, it's okay, it's ready. See you in the next lesson. We are going to start to generate the drawings, okay? Generate the drawings. to see if all the dimensions corresponds to the model. Save, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up, okay? And leave your